Federal judge orders Amazon to provide address of CEO Andy Jassy to be served in sexual harassment and racism lawsuit. In the Thomas v. Amazon.com federal lawsuit in the Eastern District of New York, the plaintiff, Richard Thomas, sought the following: to allow the court to accept service of his summons and complaint upon the defendant, Andrew Jassy. The plaintiff originally served the Supreme Court summons and complaint upon the defendant, Andrew Jassy, by mail to Amazon's agent, but Amazon only accepted the summons and complaint on behalf of Amazon and not Andrew Jassy. The plaintiff then recently got his process server to personally serve Andrew Jassy at Amazon's headquarters in Seattle, Washington, and it was served upon an employee. Then the server went back twice more and was told to mail the summons and complaint to the agent's address. The plaintiff believes that the defendant, Andrew Jassy, is evading service, and the plaintiff asks the court to rule Jassy as already served, or asks the court to allow the plaintiff to serve Jassy in an alternative or attain the necessary information from Amazon in order to locate Andrew Jassy. Federal Magistrate Judge Joseph A. Maratolo then ordered the following: order. With respect to plaintiff's request for the court to accept service on behalf of defendant Andrew Jassy, plaintiff's request is denied. Plaintiff reports attempting to serve Mr. Jassy, who is Amazon's CEO, via a process server. Plaintiff alleges that the summons and complaint for Mr. Jassy was served upon an employee. Then the server went back twice more and was told to mail the summons and complaint to the agent's address. Plaintiff alleges that Mr. Jassy is evading service and asks the court to rule Mr. Jassy as already served, or for the court to accept service on Mr. Jassy's behalf. Alternatively, plaintiff asks the court to obtain the necessary information from Amazon in order to locate Mr. Jassy. The court will not accept service on behalf of Mr. Jassy, nor will it deem Mr. Jassy already served. The court, however, will order Amazon to file a letter by February 23, 2024, providing a service address for Mr. Jassy. Amazon shall also indicate whether Mr. Jassy accepts electronic service of the summons and complaint. C. Valentin v. Dinkins, explaining that a pro se litigant is entitled to assistance from the district court in effectuating service upon a defendant. Roundtree v. NYC. Should these defendants decline to waive service of summons, they must, by the same date, provide the court with addresses where each of them may be served and indicate whether each of them will accept electronic service. Defendant is ordered to serve a copy of this order on plaintiff and file proof of service by February 22, 2024, ordered by Magistrate Judge Joseph A. Maratolo on February 21, 2024.